Hi everyone, my name is Raymond.
And I'm Ethan, and we're students at the Li-Ming Chinese Academy, where we learn about Chinese language and culture. But today, we're here to show you guys about our New Year, which takes place on January 22nd this year.
The New Year we're all used to celebrating on January 1st is based on the cycles of the solar calendar marked by the sun, while the Chinese New Year is based on the lunar calendar, which follows the phases of the moon.
The moon? Why the moon?
Well, the Chinese were once an agrarian society, where farmers used the moon to determine planting and harvesting times throughout the year.
Since the path of the moon changes year to year, the actual day of the Lunar New Year varies as well.
Then how do we determine the date each year?
Well, what stays the same is that the Lunar New Year always falls on the second new moon after the first day of winter.
Oh, I see. So the new moon is when it looks like there's no moon at all. In fact, it's just a dark circle in the night sky. Because of the cyclical dating, Chinese New Year can actually fall anywhere between late January and early February. And this year, it's on January 22nd.
Wow, that sounds so cool. The Lunar New Year is similar to Thanksgiving, in which it puts a lot of emphasis on family relationships, and it also brings the family together. Meanwhile, like the New Year you guys are used to celebrating, we also stay up late, past midnight, to welcome in the New Year. It's also similar to Christmas, Hanukkah, and Kwanzaa, because it's celebrated over many days. The full Lunar New Year celebration can last at least a total of 15 days.
Then what else happens during the New Year? Are there any other differences in the celebrations?
The Lunar New Year is celebrated in a zodiac cycle of 12 years. Each year is represented by a different animal. What are the 12 animals again?
Oh, I know. It's the rat, the ox, the tiger, the rabbit, the dragon, the snake, the horse, the sheep, the monkey, the rooster, the dog, and the boar.
Why did those animals get to be in the zodiac?
According to legend, the animals in the zodiac were determined by a contest held by the Jade Emperor a long, long time ago. The contest was a race, and the first 12 animals to cross the finish line would appear in the zodiac in the order in which they finished.
Oh yeah, I remember. The rat and the cat made a deal with the ox to help it get across the river. The ox, being blind, needed help navigating across the river, but near the end of the river, the rat jumped off the ox, ran ahead, and won the race.
But wait, what happened to the cat? Why isn't the cat in the zodiac?
The rat was cruel and pushed the cat into the river. The cat ended up finishing in 13th place and didn't get a place on the zodiac. That's why, to this day, the cat always chases the rat to get its revenge.
Oh, I see. Then what's this year's sign? Does anybody know?
That's right, it's the rabbit. People born in the year of the rabbit are nice, calm, and patient.
Next up, Michelle and Fiona will tell us more about the traditions during the Chinese New Year.